Okay, so, fam, this is what I did for my Oklahoma Joe's Highland reverse flow smoker. Don't pay attention to all that shit in the back. That's in my backyard. I gotta throw all that stuff away because that shit I had cleaned out of my garage here. I did some spring cleaning here. So anyway, all right, it comes with that. Put that on. I had this one laying around, so I got two. But of course, they accurate, but you know they give you the temp. Oh yeah, they give you the temp up to the top. They don't give you the temp down here at the crate level. So I mean, you really don't need to know that. But these clamps that I was telling you about. Other one. Boom. Yeah. And you gotta have them after you put this stuff on. You gotta have it because without these clamps, the lid ain't gonna shut. So, you know, the reverse flow baffle plates, there's 4 of them. They just hook on up in there. It's easy. This is from my water pans that I ain't really cleaned out yet, but whatever. And then this is that grommet that I was telling you about. You gotta drill a 1 1/4 inch hole, and then that way you are able to feed your wires in for your probes without them getting pinched. All right. And oh yeah, I was telling you about the smokestack. Yeah, you can put the smokestack on the other side if you want, but take the baffle plates out and put the smokestack on the other side. That ain't nothing but a little pin. You're gonna screw there, but I done already sealed it up, so I ain't never taking mine out. So yeah, my hands is ash as hell because I done washed them about 35 times today. So because of this coronavirus, that coronavirus. But yeah, so then over here it come with a basket. The reverse flow kind come with this basket, and then a little grate down in there. If you turn that the other way, then you can.
Papa, we did our homework.
What?
We did our work.
Oh, okay. Say hi to Cousin Sean.
Hi.
All right. Yeah, so this comes with it. It's great. If you turn it on the side, if you put it in there the way they want you to put it in, it's only 2 inches. But if you turn it the other way, it's about 4 inches. And it's more ash that it can hold. So you won't have to clean it out as much. Very, very, very happy. Very happy with it. There it is, fam. A good old Okie Joe's Highland reverse flow smoker. Say hi to your cousin. Say hi.
Hi.
All right.